Iranon leaders. Honorable Fahmiya Manalaw Masurong, Mayor of Bundod. Honorable Abdul Rauf Tumawis, Mayor of Barira. Honorable Sofia Bansil, Mayor of Matanog, the Vice Chairman of Iranon Development Council, at siyempre, the Chairman of the Iranon Development Council, Honorable Mayor Tahar P. Ibay, Mayor of Para. Siyempre, kasama nila ang kanilang mga Vice Mayor Honorable Sanaira Ali Imam, Vice Mayor of Matanog, Honorable Abdulais Manalaw, Vice Mayor of Bundod, and Honorable Maknarin Dagalangin, Vice Mayor of Barera. Combined, Parang, Matanog, Barira, and Bundod represent an unbreakable chain of resilience through the years. These four municipalities have consistently worked hand in hand to transform our localities from areas of conflict into shining examples of progress and lasting peace. Napatunayan na natin na ang tunay na lakas ng komunidad ay nagmumula sa ating pagkakaisa. To honor our shared journey, we have lined up this exciting array of programs and activities that are deeply rooted in the tradition and cultures of the Iranon. As your host municipality, we have carefully crafted activities showcasing our rich Iranon roots. You will witness traditional sports, cultural dances, indigenous music, and local artistry that reflects our proud history and unique identity. Localized programs like this remind us that our cultural heritage is the very foundation of our peace-building efforts. Kaya naman, sa ating mga bisita, mga katuwang sa kapayapaan at kapwa Iranon, let us immerse ourselves in this celebration. Let this festival be reminded of what we can achieve when we move forward with one vision, one heart. We are one Iranon. Muli, welcome to the 4th Iranon Peace Festival. Maraming salamat. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.